Hi, this is Sonia with Artsy Solutions, and welcome to hashtag How Do You Do Art. And it's hosted by Sharyl of The Whole Bucket on YouTube. And a group of us ladies have got together, and we were each sent an envelope full of stuff, and we're going to make it like an assemblage or some type of instead of a journal, we're going to make like a like assemblage, I guess that's what it's called. So I'm just going to go ahead and open this up, and I've already covered up the addresses so that you know, I'm not putting anyone's personal information out there. So we're going to see what we have in here, and let's see, make sure I have everything. Cool. So I'm going to be making something with these two paint brushes. And what else do we have? We have, oh, some cute little, let me see. Let me open these up. These are like little, little wire bits. Yeah, little wire bits. And we're just going to create some stuff with those. We have those. We have quite a few of them. And I think I have an idea of what I want to do with it. And then we have this, it's like a mesh kind of material. Is it an envelope or is it a... No, it's mesh material. It has like a copper kind of color to it. We have, let's see, we have some stuff inside of here. Let me see how to open it. I'm definitely going to use this with something. Let's see. We've got some small little embellishments and things. We have this bulb, we call it, whatever those things are called, like jewelry finding ballpoint something. And we have some copper wire, and then we have these little gems and stuff that we have that we can do something with. And I'm going to make something with it. We also have, let me put this back in here so I don't lose it. And we also have this napkin. Oh, and this gorgeous this doll. This is going to be really fun. So we're going to make something using all of these items. So I'm going to try to have these, I'm going to try to have the assemblage completed within like the next week or so. So yeah, so if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please check out my channel and other videos. And check out the other ladies who are participating, and I'll have a link in the description. And watch how we do hashtag How Do You Do Art.